Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann, and on this channel we talk about business, entrepreneurship, finance, real estate, and just life in general. Today we're actually going to be doing a virtual tour. So the property that we are touring today is actually the Royal at Stonebrook Manor, and it's located in Falmouth Trelawny, which is in the beautiful island of Jamaica. Now before we begin, I wanted to highlight the developer, and that is KEMTEK Development and Constructions Limited. So I'm going to be going through, footage and pictures of the property, and I'm basically going to give my reaction to the whole thing. All right. So just some quick specs about the property. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It has a lot size of 4,000 to 5,000 square feet, depending on the unit that you buy. And then the unit size is actually 1,370 square feet. Okay. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first part of the house that we're going to be touring is actually the living room. So for this part, what I noticed, the first thing was the high ceilings that open up the room. I actually love the large tiles. If it was me though, I love plants, so I definitely add some plants to the space. And the interior designer did a really good job, although I'm not a fan of the red. I think it has a little bit too much red for me, but overall it seems like a good space. I noticed that there's also the breaker box in the middle of the living room. Not sure if I like that either. I probably got a painting to cover all that, but like I said, overall good space. I think it's a decent sized living room, and I'm loving the lighting, and it also has 2 windows. I noticed it has 2 windows that will allow for some natural lights during the day. So let's move on to the kitchen area. So for the kitchen area, these are my top picks that I absolutely love. You guys know in all my property tours, I have been a fan of dark cabinetry, especially the ones with the frosted glass at the front. However, for this kitchen, it does have dark cabinetry, but I prefer to have like a darker cabinet color, preferably almost black, and with some frosted glass at the front. I think that would kind of make the kitchen pop a little bit more. I like the fact that the countertops match with the cabinets, and I also appreciate the fact that there's a window right over the sink to provide a view while you're washing the dishes. Y'all know washing the dishes can get out of hand sometimes, and if you can just look out and see your kids playing, having fun, or just seeing like a view overall, it can take your mind off of it. Now my thing with this kitchen is I think an island, when you say island, I think it could be a little bit bigger, and so the island in this kitchen, I think it could have been extended a lot more to provide more counter space. You guys know I have a cooking channel and I love to cook, so I'm very big on counter space, and although I'm not physically there, the fact that the island is so short, it's making me wonder what's the distance between the entryway to the kitchen, because the kitchen almost seems, I don't want to use cooped up, but for lack of a better word, cooped up. And so the kitchen area is looking a little bit smaller than it could be. But for me, I would have placed the island farther out to allow more overhead cabinets, and also to allow an overhead microwave. If you notice in the picture, the microwave is actually on the countertop, and I prefer to have an overhead microwave. So, that's just my 2 cents. Let's see how it looks with the dining space included. See, I was right. So the dining and the living room space is not that far from each other, so now I'm understanding why they made that island so short. It's to keep the space open. But for me, I really don't mind having a bigger island. It's for convenience. Yes, it might make the space a little bit smaller, but I definitely think that the island could have been extended a little bit more. I love the cream chairs that they use for the dining space. I like those types of chairs. I always said to myself, when I get my home, I definitely want one of those. Okay guys, so we're gonna be moving into the bedrooms, and as you can see, this bedroom has a very unique design. I'm gonna look for this lamp on Amazon. I'm definitely gonna look for this lamp on Amazon. I think this lamp is so cute. I think it's so cute. I love the fact that the bedroom is open. I like that they kept the furniture very minimal. However, as a female, we're gonna want a little bit more furniture than that, just to store our clothes. Hopefully we can get a look of the closet. By the way guys, these pictures are from the KEMTEK website, so whatever we're seeing here, that's what they have of the property. So hopefully they have some stuff of the closet space that we can maybe see if that's it, or if we're gonna have to build a closet, you know what I mean? So this is the first bathroom. Not a fan of the light blue color, to be quite honest. However, they made it work. I'm not sure if it's a trend these days, but I'm noticing that a lot of houses that are being built, the sinks are extremely small. I don't know about you guys, but I've got to have my cleanser, my toothbrush, my alcohol, my masks, my nail polish, all of that, and a tiny little flower, you know. Where's the sink space? I hope this is not the master bathroom. I like it though. I like the light blue. I like the mat at the bottom. They made the space work. They made the space work. So this is the second bedroom. Okay, this seems, okay, so this bedroom has a closet. Okay, so guys, probably the previous bedroom had a closet. They just didn't take a picture of it. I refuse to believe the other bedroom did not have a closet, because that one actually looks like the master bedroom. But this is bedroom number 2. And this one has a closet. I like the lamp, and I like the slanted ceiling. So I'm assuming this is either upstairs or to the side of the house. I'm really liking the Chester drawers and the dressers and all of that. I've been into minimalistic design furniture, meaning, you know, back in the 90s, your parents have those dressers. I'll put a picture of it somewhere, with the ducks or the waves in the dresser, and it was terrible. I really like my furniture as minimal as possible, and that's what they did here. I don't know exactly how these tile designs are called, but I love the fact that they're so large, they don't even look like tiles. I love those types of tiling. Okay, let's see what the other bedroom looks like. Okay, so this is a brown theme. This looks better than the other one, to be honest. I think this one looks better than the previous bathroom. So maybe it was just the color that was the problem. Again, with the sink. Jeez, guys, us ladies, we need a little bit more space than that. And I mean, even if I have a husband, he's gonna want to store his stuff too, you know? We're paying money here. Both bathrooms had a tub with a overhead shower in it. Okay, I can appreciate that. Ooh, okay guys, so probably this is the master bedroom now. Probably this is the master bedroom, because this looks good. It looks spacious, more spacious than the other bedroom. See, they got a little chair over there, 3 windows. Whoa, that's screaming natural light and ventilation, guys. I love that. Yes, it's giving space. It's giving what it's supposed to give. I like this bedroom. Yes. Okay, so this bathroom actually has a walk-in shower. Oh, so that, okay, guys, let's confirm this is the master bedroom and bathroom. Okay, hopefully this is a double vanity sink. Is it? Is it not? Well, you know, to be quite honest, this has a lot more counter space than the previous bathroom, so I can appreciate that as well. Okay, you guys won me. So the other ones were probably just, you know, bathrooms for your kids. Definitely the master bedroom. Look at all that space. Yep, very spacious. I'm loving it. It looks good. It looks good. And this is a king size bed, so if you have a queen size, you know you're gonna get even more space. You know what I mean? Okay guys, so we're gonna be heading into the laundry area. So as a female, you know, I'm not being gender biased or whatever, but as a female, it's gonna be my responsibility, so to speak, obviously with my husband, but for the most part, my responsibility to do laundry. And so I like a comfortable area to do laundry. So looking at this space, it's a decent sized space. There's a sink for washing and also sink to put your washer. Not seeing a lot of space to put a dryer. However, dryers aren't that common in Jamaica yet, so probably that's the reason why. But they do have adequate ventilation, so that's not bad. And if it was me, I would actually put my little iron holder right under that light along with my iron board, so all domestic activities would probably take place there. Okay, I like this. I like this. So guys, this is another angle of how the property looks from the entryway, like we mentioned. So obviously that's the master bedroom on the left. Okay, so I have a problem with this layout because although it's spacious, if you guys look close enough, there's a tiny little TV on the wall, and it brings the question, where do we put the TV? Like, my TV is bigger than that, and you know, if I have a house, I'm gonna want a bigger TV than the one I have now. So where does the TV go? I'm concerned. I guess you could put it, no. I was saying you're gonna put it over the breaker, but no, that wouldn't work either. Or maybe where this couch is on the right side, you can probably try putting the TV over there and then just having 2 couches instead of 1. But so far, I'm not seeing a lot of space for the television. Okay, well, overall, I'd say it's a decent property. I like it. It's good. Let's get into our pricing, and then we're going to be talking about my final comments on the entire property. Okay, so the pricing for this property is actually, wait for it, $24,654,800. So if you want to round that off to 25 million, that's fine. You know, with buying a house, you're going to need lawyer fees, land surveyor fees, all of that anyway. There is a deposit required, and that's $2,465,480. So it's basically like 10%. I would say 10%. And in USD, if you're watching this and you're in the States, that's actually 132,000 US dollars. Not bad. Really, really not bad. I think that's a good deal. I've toured houses for 600 USD. I've toured houses for 280 USD. I think $132,000 is an amazing deal for a house in a gated community like this. And on top of that, Trelawny has good weather, guys. If you're not in the town, you are blessed because country life, the air is clearer, all of that. Canadian, it would be 176,500, and then if you're gonna be using the British pound sterling, it's gonna be 102,000 British pound sterling. So just to be clear, the prices of these are subjected to change because of the exchange rate here in Jamaica. So these were the prices listed on the developer's website, but overall I think it's a decent property for a decent price. It's a perfect family home, especially if you're just starting out. It's 3 bedrooms, so you could easily accommodate 4 kids, especially if you do like bunk beds and stuff. So I think it's a decent space. So my final comments on the house, right? I absolutely love the master bedroom and the master bathroom. I'm not a fan of the bathrooms in the other rooms. I think the sink space could have been a lot more. I also mentioned the island being a lot more extended in the kitchen because I personally like to cook. And then what else? We also spoke about the closet space in the other bedrooms. Now I noticed that there were no pictures of the yard space. So I'm a little bit curious to see if there's backyard space or is it just the front lawn, because as you guys will see in the thumbnail, there is a little bit of lawn on the front. But overall it's a decent house, and considering that, you know, it's in Jamaica, I think it's reasonably priced, especially that it's in Trelawny. I think the prices are very reasonable. But so far in my experience touring real estate in Jamaica, I'm beginning to realize that the country houses have more space for better pricing. I don't know what's going on. Maybe city life is a high price. I don't know. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I have a couple tours coming up, so be sure to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and subscribe, and send it to your friends. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!